Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome to the Health Collective, your trusted source for the best wellness tips and tricks. Our mission here is simple. We're all about arming you with the knowledge to lead a healthier life. A crucial part of that journey? A balanced diet. It's the foundation of wellness, and we're here to shed light on one tiny but mighty ingredient that should be a part of your daily routine: flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, and their benefits are nothing short of amazing. From boosting heart health to improving digestion, flax seeds are a true superfood. But don't just take our word for it. We're about to count down the top 10 powerful reasons why you should be eating flax seeds every day, so buckle up as we dive into the top 10 powerful reasons why you must eat flax seeds every day. Starting with number 10, flax seeds are packed with dietary fiber. Now you might be thinking, what's the big deal about dietary fiber? Well, let's dive into that. Dietary fiber is a powerhouse for your digestive system. It aids in improving your digestion by adding bulk to your stool, which makes it easier to pass, thereby reducing the risk of constipation. But that's not all. Dietary fiber also helps in weight control. It absorbs water and swells in your stomach, giving you a feeling of fullness. This can help curb your appetite and prevent overeating. So if you're someone who's trying to keep a check on their weight, flax seeds can be a great addition to your diet. And let's not forget, a healthy digestive system is key to overall health. So, by consuming flax seeds, you're not only benefiting your digestion but your overall well-being too. That's reason number 10, a fiber-rich choice for your diet. At number 9, flax seeds are a great source of omega-3 fats. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about omega-3 fats? Well, let's break it down. Omega-3 fats are essential fats that our bodies need but cannot produce themselves. They play an integral role in maintaining our heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease. But the benefits of omega-3 fats don't stop there. They are also critical for brain health. Studies suggest that they can improve cognitive functioning and might even help ward off mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. So how do flax seeds fit into this? Flax seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of these essential omega-3 fats. Just 1 tablespoon of these little seeds can provide a good portion of your daily omega-3 needs. That's why flax seeds are at number 9. They're a heart-healthy addition to your meals. From number 8 to 5, we have a myriad of benefits ranging from cancer prevention to improving cholesterol. Let's dive right into it. At number 8, we have flax seeds' potential role in cancer prevention. Flax seeds are packed with lignans, a type of phytoestrogen, known for their potential anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that these compounds could help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, particularly hormone-sensitive cancers like breast and prostate. Sliding into the 7th spot is the benefit of flax seeds for post-menopausal women. Again, the lignans come into play. They are believed to have estrogenic effects, which can help balance hormones and may alleviate menopausal symptoms. So ladies, if hot flashes and night sweats are giving you a hard time, a sprinkle of flax seeds might be just what you need. Our 6th reason revolves around flax seeds' contribution to gut health. Flax seeds are a rich source of dietary fiber. This fiber acts as a prebiotic, fueling the beneficial bacteria in your gut, leading to better digestion and overall gut health. So if you're looking to keep your gut happy, flax seeds are your best bet. Finally, at number 5, flax seeds can help improve your cholesterol levels. They contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help reduce LDL or bad cholesterol. This could potentially lead to a reduced risk of heart disease. So there you have it, folks. From potentially helping in the fight against cancer, to easing menopausal symptoms, promoting gut health, and improving cholesterol, flax seeds indeed pack a powerful punch. And the best part, they're easy to incorporate into your diet. A sprinkle here, a tablespoon there, and you're well on your way to reaping these health benefits. And that's 4 more compelling reasons to add flax seeds to your diet. But don't go away just yet. We still have 4 more reasons to go, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on these. Moving into the top 4, the benefits of flax seeds become even more impressive. In 4th place, we have flax seeds' ability to lower cholesterol. Packed with soluble fiber, these little seeds have been proven to reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol, keeping your heart in prime condition. What's more, the omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds contribute to heart health by reducing inflammation and promoting normal heart rhythms. On to reason number 3, flax seeds are a great source of lignans. Now you may be wondering, what are lignans? Well, lignans are a type of plant compound known as polyphenols, and flax seeds contain up to 800 times more lignans than other plant foods. These compounds have antioxidant and estrogen properties which can help lower the risk of cancer. In particular, numerous studies have suggested that consuming flax seeds may reduce breast cancer risk. Now, let's move on to the second reason. Flax seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, but did you know they're also a terrific source of protein? That's right. Flax seeds are high in quality plant protein. This makes them an excellent choice for those who are looking to add more protein to their diet, especially if you're vegetarian or vegan. The protein in flax seeds is not just any protein either. It's a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body can't produce on its own. So whether you're building muscle, repairing tissue, or simply maintaining good overall health, flax seeds are the way to go. So that's reasons 4 to 2. Flax seeds are truly a superfood. They can lower your cholesterol, provide you with antioxidant-rich lignans, and offer a healthy dose of complete plant protein. But we're not done yet. Stay tuned as we reveal the number 1 reason why you should be incorporating flax seeds into your everyday diet. And finally, the number 1 reason you should eat flax seeds every day: their versatility. Flax seeds are a culinary chameleon, effortlessly blending into a wide array of meals and snacks. From your morning smoothie to your midday salad and even your evening dessert, these tiny seeds can make a big difference. Want to kickstart your day with a nutrient-packed breakfast? Sprinkle some flax seeds on your oatmeal or mix them into your yogurt. Looking for a healthy crunch in your salad? Flax seeds are your answer. And did you know you can even use flax seeds as an egg substitute in baking? Yes, that's right. But that's not all. Flax seeds can also be ground into a powder, making it easier to incorporate into your recipes. And the best part? Their mild, nutty flavor complements just about anything. That's our number 1 reason flax seeds are not just healthy, but incredibly versatile. So, there you have it, 10 powerful reasons to make flax seeds a part of your daily diet. Flax seeds, these tiny, nutty seeds, pack a powerful punch with an array of health benefits. Starting from the 10th reason, let's take a quick recap. With their high fiber content, flax seeds aid in digestion, making them a natural remedy for constipation and promoting a healthy gut. Next up, the omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats have heart-healthy effects and are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, flax seeds are one of nature's richest plant sources of omega-3s. We then move to the middle group of reasons. Flax seeds are high in antioxidants, specifically lignans, which have been linked to reduced risk of heart disease and several types of cancer. They also help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a beneficial addition for those with diabetes. Moreover, flax seeds are a good source of plant-based protein, providing all essential amino acids. They also offer a unique blend of soluble and insoluble fiber, which can aid in weight management by keeping you feeling full for longer. As we climb to the top reasons, we discovered that flax seeds may help lower cholesterol, particularly in women and older individuals. They also contribute to bone health with their rich mineral profile, including calcium and magnesium. Finally, the star reason: versatility. Flax seeds can be easily incorporated into your meals, whether it be smoothies, oatmeal, baked goods, or even as a salad topping. Their mild, nutty flavor complements many dishes and boosts their nutritional value. It's clear that these tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a range of health benefits. And the best part, all it takes is a daily spoonful. As we wrap up, I invite you to make flax seeds a part of your health journey. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Remember to subscribe to the Health Collective for more health tips, and start adding flax seeds to your diet today. Stay healthy, everyone.